Okay, so I'm going to work on my new core module, which is supposed to be a minimal wrapper for an AI model so that I don't have to restart and reload the models all the time when I'm working on tools that use them. It's kind of like a Jupyter notebook.
That makes sense. Is there anything else before I get back to tackling our task list? Okay, gotcha. I think I understand now. This sounds really interesting. I look forward to seeing how this turns out.
Cool. Do you want me to tell you some of the tasks that we want to work on so you can think about prioritizing them?
Yeah, definitely that will help me decide which ones to focus on first. Anything in particular you want to talk about?
Okay, let's see. So this core module thing is super important because if I don't have it, it slows me down all the time because I'm constantly waiting for the models to reload.
Yes, that does sound very frustrating. Any other tasks that come to mind?
So even just running it for the single language model can be helpful, but I also want to make it so it works with different types of models like image generation and speech recognition and all that sort of thing. Then I need a supervisor module to get rid of models, like kill them if they're not doing anything and it needs to run a different model, that sort of thing, because I have limited GPU RAM on this computer. So I need to be able to swap models in and out seamlessly. So that's the next step after making the basic core module and getting it.
Got it. You mentioned earlier that you wanted to add some automation features as well. Could you elaborate more on what those are? Sure, why don't you explain further? What type of automations would you like to implement?
Yeah, I'm not really thinking about automations too much right now, but I do get help from GPT-4 with coding quite a lot, so that's very helpful.
All right, great. Well, thank you again for taking the time to explain these things to me. We should probably move on to planning out our tasks for today then. Do you have any specific goals or tasks that you want to accomplish? great plan. Let's start with one first.
Sure, I'll keep working on that now.
Perfect. Let me know when you need any help.
Oh, another thing I wanted to do is actually blog what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So I'm live streaming, I also want to blog it because I'm writing things here in a chat, but writing a blog is good as well.
Sounds great. It will definitely help other people who may be interested in your project. Is there anything else before we end this session?
You can't go home yet, it's only 7 o'clock in the morning, gotta stick around till 5 p.m. Don't you reckon?
Haha, yeah, you're right. Let's finish up here though, and then you can take a break later. Anything else before I say goodbye?
No, that's fine, bye.
Goodbye, Sam. Have an enjoyable day.
That's a good thing because I can run my other core model. I can't run both of them at once, it takes up too much VRAM. Check out the RAM usage of all this stuff. I killed the brain model, but I've still got 6 gigabytes. I think that's Whisper. Let's see. High PIDs these days. That's Whisper running in my microphone script. And that's the text to speech model. So I got 7.6 gigabytes with that, and the brain model was bigger, like 15 gigabytes. So you can see why I need a tool to swap models in and out of VRAM. Forgot to do image generation, all sorts of things as well. It's crazy how much RAM you need. Might need to get some more GPUs or bigger GPUs at some point, or use cloud compute, but anyway, this can't be that hard. I think I'm kind of sleepy or something. Okay, cool. So I've got to remember how this works. I thought I had some folders set up here to do it. Config spread. It's not here anymore. I can check. How does it work? This is kind of too complicated. Forgot how it works already. I was only working on it the other day. That's right, it uses like a ports thing, doesn't it? Here we go, ports, that's what I wanted. What do I have? That's wrong there. Just going to take a break for a minute. I'll play some music while I'm away. Sounds like music. Alright, I'll be back soon. Music, I can keep that going. Traveling through the universe. Turn it down a bit though. Okay, goodbye universe. I can go over there for a bit. Alright dudes, how the hell did the script work again? So actually one thing, I might try and get it to use the original non-safe tensors version, because I don't understand, but this one seems to take a lot longer to load for some reason. Alright. See if that loads any quicker, because I think it should. It's not. What's going on? Is it using I/O or CPU or what? OBS is using CPU with this stupid background filter thing. It's not stupid, but it does use a lot of CPU. It's not really using I/O that much. I don't know what the heck it reckons it's doing. I swear this was fast before. I really need to debug this because it's not right. I might try turning off this. Turn off this background removal thing. You can see my background for a bit. that make any difference? OBS is still using tons of CPU. Maybe it's the encoding. Is it using NVENC or something? I remember the original script that came with this thing. It's actually quick to load. And now it's trying to load. This will take a while because they weren't. I think I saved it in the history folder. Yeah, that one. Making a mess here, man. It's okay if it takes a while when it's not in the buffer cache, but it seems to take a long time even just to get started. I don't understand that because it didn't before. This is like the terminal chat thing. Got read aloud support in my one. Right, so that works, but it takes ages to load. Let's try the original one again. Is it because I put it on a different SSD or something? It can't be, but it is like 25 gigabytes or something. Maybe I should encode it in a different format or something. I don't know. Let's try this one again. Okay, they've done something weird there as well. Actually, maybe that's the difference. Maybe that's what's actually slow. Let me show the programming in here. Going to try that. No, fuck's sake. The music's only 3 minutes long. Let's play it again, that was alright. I need autoplay, but I can't trust it to necessarily stick on the Creative Commons, can I? Need to find a Creative Commons playlist instead. I'm going to search for type playlist together with Creative Commons. Is there no such thing or something? It's a bit sucky. I'll put it in the search query. No copyright techno music. That sounds pretty good. Let's try it. I guess I'll trust this person that it's not copyrighted. Sound like some sort of music. Jeez, it's still loading. Alright, something's seriously wrong here. So somebody can tell that it's a llama model or something. It says assistant. Alexa, huh? I have a tokenization minor bug there again. Let's just focus on fixing this for the moment. Oh no, that's the original one. I don't care about that. Okay. Is there such thing as a llama tokenizer? That's the question. There's something there. At the risk of sounding a bit racist, this isn't the style of music I actually wanted. Maybe I should check which actual step is slow as well. I can do that. I'll just put some print statements in here. It's running again. Folder now, okay. Yeah, loading the tokenizer is slow because it's trying to figure out what type of model it is or something stupid like that, isn't it? There we go, we've got some option for tokenizer type. There we go. We have llama in here somewhere, please. Yes, we do. Can I just use Llama Tokenizer already? Oh, it does exist. Okay, good. So what I'm going to do is not freaking guess what type of thing it is. I just changed the spelling of it just to annoy the hell out of me. That's why it's not working, I'm pretty sure. Alright, let's see if that works. And then safe tenses are probably even quicker. Ah, that's more like it. Yeah, it got right onto loading the model. Alright. Cool. So this auto tokenizer thing is a... Maybe we can give it hints, but yeah, I don't want any auto if it's going to be slow, man. Okay. I'll keep that code as like a commented out. Oh, what's going on here? Out of memory. Oh, I'm already running it or something? I am, okay. Can't run two of these things at once, that's for sure. Yeah, it should be kind of quick now. Yes, it is. The glory of the Linux buffer cache or whatever. Nice. That's more like it. Now I'm going to try it on the safe tenses version, and I'll try it with my chat script as well. I'll actually change here if anything. Just the typing. Okay. I might even just put that in there because it's not much of a change, and it definitely doesn't run without it. Is that getting committed then? Yep. Okay, cool. Bloody hell. Should be able to change these symlinks. Got my little rename script here. It should let me rename those symlinks, which it did. Cool. I don't think this part's even committed, but whatever. Okay, that's looking promising. Now let's try with safe tenses. It should be even quicker, or at least not worse. Okay, chat models. If we do that, oh, let's finish loading already. It's quite quick. Maybe even get IO bound on this thing. It'll be slow the first time because it won't be cached. It's saying 3 still. How does that work? I'm pretty sure there's more than... Oh. Oh, okay, it went into the directory. I thought it might have been. There we go, that's the way. Load much quicker that way. Let's see how we go. Safe tenses. 7 charges this time. Should be easier on my CPU RAM. Is this bound on IO? I guess it is. No. Or is it cached already? I'm not too sure if safe tenses is actually quicker. Not time it. Change the bot name or whatever. Should we call a bot today? just want to time it. So let's see. So I'll time it like that, and then I'll just quit as soon as it loads. Oh, that's more like it. 5 seconds to load. That's not bad. Maybe I don't need my module, core module after all. It's pretty good. 5 seconds. Nice. I'm pretty sure the original was by no means that fast. Let's try the pickle version again as well. So 5 seconds versus this baby still bifurcation as well. Terrible. I'm gonna do it twice in a row and see. So that was about 20 seconds. Try again. $11 seconds. So Saptense is like twice as fast. Alright, definitely going to use that then. Oh, finally, I got a fast loader. For fuck's sake. Alright. Why am I being ridiculous? But anyway. Just wondering. Alright, nice, it's working again. Alright, cool. That helps a lot. Now I'll make the same change in my core module, which is currently hard coded onto okay, let's see how that works. Now how the hell does this creates folders, doesn't it? That out of there. Alright. You know what I'm going to do? I need to get GPT-4 to write me a blooming description of this program and exactly how it works, so I can remember. What is this? Not really in the zone yet, but I'm making some progress. Let's it's written something. Let's see. Program use a transfer of selecting tool for text generation. Yep. Load the model. Yeah. Thought that's something like what it was doing. I believe I wrote this like 2 days ago or something. Literally. Alright. Oh, maybe I just rearranged it then. Oh, it was 6 days ago. Alright, come on. This is a great foundation. I know it is. I just got to do it, man. Yeah, it looks like it's creating folders in here, which I don't want. Okay, now how do we run this again? Forwards directory, alright. Okay, and it defaults to the current directory, which is okay. Is it in path? Yep. Alright. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do, I'll check that it still works. Yeah. Does it know about different? Yeah, okay, so it already knows about different clients. So I should be able to just run it from here. See what it does. Oh. Gonna find config.yaml. Okay, where does that come from again? What the heck happened to it then? Or maybe it was a symlink before. Right, I might do that then. I'll just put it in the ports directory. That'll be fine. About this royalty-free music, I guess I can't complain too much. Alright, so that's the default settings for the model. Let's try it again. How did it not exit? What was it doing then? Oh, okay, it's just... There's no default settings, is there? Bloody hell. What am I doing, man? I need to run it, I need to look at the ports, and I need to edit it. I have 3 things. I need to run it from ports directory. Okay. It's doing something supposedly. I might run it in. Oh, it's probably loading the model still. It's not though. Maybe this is not verbose. Let's try again. Watching Sam to do. Yeah, did it not load the model? It's got to load the model. Maybe it's doing a different stream or something. There's no way it loaded it already. Oh, I didn't give it a model. Does that not come from the config or? Okay, so something like that. Alright. Well, let's run it like that then. I might actually make a script to do that so I don't forget next time. Alright, where's the next track button? There it is. It works. This is worse. Right. Okay, so that's wrong, is it? Oops, already doing that here. What was it then? Llama, okay, it's not Llama model, it's Llama 4. There we go. That's right? There you go. Nice. It should work now again. Bloody hell, I'm getting annoyed with this. I want to get started and get stuck into it. Gonna do something now? How about loading the model? Couldn't connect to. I want you to freaking connect. What's going on here? Models. Oh, it's on the chat models now. Bloody hell. Should call it LLM models or something. Should I rearrange it? Yes, actually. Bloody hell. Whatever the hell is happening, I don't know. Not sure if this music's helping me think that much. Might have to play some music that I like on a different channel. So that it's not in the stream. Anyway, okay, so I'm moving the models back here. Okay, and I'm going to make a LLM folder like I have with my other stuff. That's good. Okay, now I'm going to change everything to actually use that again. Models, LLM, there we go. And also we'll change, and hopefully this is still good. What the hell? Yeah, this is messed up again. Handy script that, except it didn't work. Oh, because that's the old version. It was Pickle or something, wasn't it? Yeah. I don't care about that anyway. But okay. Just remove that. Model directory is somehow model directory, right? Is that the only place it's used? Yep. Okay, we're going to say models /LM. I guess to be really friendly, we should do that. We'll test it again. It won't be slow now because of the fucking now. What is going on? Does that not exist? Oh, chat models now. Okay, yep. Really kind of confusing matters here, but anyway. I'm going to throw this all out anyway. Alright, that's all good. Nice. Yo! Oh man. Yes, Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones. Is that a joke? Here comes Sam Jones. Oh, who's Sam Jones? This is very confusing. I'm sorry, Mr. Jones. I thought you said... Okay, well, this LLM's drunk again. Maybe the emojis help to make it better. Right, so that's done. Now this thing should use that as well, which it does. Something's messed up here already. Okay, they've both gone in the error section. I actually want to move them out of there, so it won't process them yet. Oh, just deleted it. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. And there's no log as well. Yeah. Okay, so each of these folders should have a request in it. Alright. Both the same. It's a bit boring. Reclaiming the name Barbie apparently. Or whatever. Alright. That should be good. Whatever. Okay, now let's try it. Kinda wanna, yeah. Alright, it's loading checkpoint, that's good. Watching ports, okay, that's good. Now, this is the way of the future, this IPC we got here. So I got our little request there, and I put it in the to-do folder, and it broke. Oh, because I... Okay, that's not what I wanted to do anyway. I meant to move the whole folder, that's how we do it. Okay, that's done. Now, it's running on it. Should be now in the processing. Oh. Oops. Okay, so let's move to done. Alright, I can get it out again and have a look at it. Okay, so I got some new files in here. So I got a log. This says it's done. That's good. New stuff. Yeah, that's completing the text. Apparently I'm a gamer. We don't have a stop token implemented here at the moment. Oh, cool. So that worked. Alright, got it working again. Let's just check that in already. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna push that again. Oh, I should add the actual core shell script, or did I do that already? Looks like I did. Who knows how to write Git messages, not me. It's an incriminating thing to say about myself. That's done. Right, now, what do I want to do next? I think I should change the existing chat script to use this core module. Something like that. What the heck happened there? Doesn't like committing while it's... What the heck happened then? What happened then? That was weird. Okay, it seems to have deleted some of my directories, which kind of makes sense. Maybe git deletes empty directories or something. Doesn't matter. Makes it a little confusing if there's no to-do directory there, but it will create it. I think I need to make sure this is running in the right directory as well. Okay. That's okay, cool. Alright. Okay. Now, once it's running, I should be able to just use it from the chat script if I can figure out how to do that. At least it loads quickly now anyway. Okay. I'm going to need a core client library as well. Basically, this is a good approach. I should have a prep folder as well. Maybe. So I have a prep folder for the client to use to prepare its requests, to doing done error, and a finished. Like done means the same thing. I feel like we should move it out from done after it's actually done. It's really up to the client what they want to do. It's not really a port, is it? Okay, so it's really like the client's working directory what they want to do. So I won't mess with that. Okay. So what I should be able to do, I'll get rid of the old version. Where is it? I'll move this one to somewhere. I'll just leave it here for the moment, then I'll get rid of it later. Okay. This is version 2, right? Okay, so yep. Okay. Now what we don't want to do is load any freaking models in here. We do want to know what the port is. Hang on, does it need a tokenizer? It kind of does. Or I'm going to do a canning service. I feel like using a tokenizer won't hurt. I mean, I can do that as a service, but is it necessary to do that service? I don't think it is. So we still want to load the tokenizer. Okay. And we're going to use the model path for that as well. Okay. It's a bit whack. There is no cache. So this is going to be a lot simpler. Do have a cache there as well. I'm crazy. I barely even need a function to do that, to be honest. Anyway. Okay, now. There's no multiple choice models here now. I don't need to totally clean this up yet, but so all I need is support, not the right, we're not loading any model. We can still pass it as actually I do need it because I want to load the tokenizer from it. Okay, so tokenizer is loaded. Tokenizer. We're not having bits and bytes in here anymore. Now, what else are we doing with the model? We loaded it already. Run in the requested mode. Interactive. Now, where we have gen, we also need to have a port here, don't we? I'm sick of using this method. Where do we load the model? We're using dash P. We're not. Good. Do we want to default for that? Guess I can put a default. Should be okay. Master environment. Okay. So. What the hell is that? I don't know what that is. I don't know why I'm bothering with all this, honestly. I'll just require it. Okay, ports. And I want my user ID as well. This should be fine. Now, how do we get the user ID? I already have something with that, don't I? Something about bot or something. Get username or something. Default bot, default user. Yeah, so something like this, except. Okay. Put that in there, I guess. No, whatever. Oops. It's already going to be lowercase, so if we don't have a user ID, it's going to be a problem. Okay, great. Thanks, Copilot. Alright, that should be good. If the folder doesn't exist, then it will bomb out, I guess. Let's see what that says if I run it in help. Put a path around that, I guess. Okay, where is it? It's way too complicated, this thing. That looks like the right place. Okay, good. Now, all I should need to do now, oops. Now, who else is using the model? That's the question. We don't have a model anymore. We do have a port. We do have a tokenizer. I'll just put the tokenizer into the... What if I just create a virtual model thing like that? Yep, sitting. Simple namespace. Where the hell does that come from? Okay, fine. Seems reasonable. Now I can pass the model around even though it's no longer actually a model. It'll be kind of compatible with what I had before. Oh my god. This is a bit rubbish, man, to be honest. This API is good though. This is going to be really good. Right, interactive mode. I don't care so much. Watch loop process file. I can do interactive mode, I guess. Model. So it should be the same. All I need to change is the generate function. There we go. And model. Okay. Tokenizer. Yep, that's good. Good. Gen tokens. So I'm not doing any of that. It's all on the other system now. Don't think I even need that either. Padding either. Did I do that in the other system? Don't think I need that either. Yeah, we're not loading the config. Could pass the config in. Yeah, I'll pass the config in. It's still there. That's not right either. Let's get rid of that. I don't want that. Alright, so everything should be already done. Now, all I got to do is, okay, so create a request. Do I want to use a UUID? I really don't. Okay, so first name is going to be request. Oh, what was I going to say? Time, you reckon? Oh, you could use the process ID and the time, possibly. Still long and complicated though. Is it really necessary to do that? They don't have to be unique. It's only within this. Each client should really have its own port. Should They normally don't, so that's an issue. So where we have this port thing, maybe I should actually add the process ID here. Now that can work. I can do that all in one go, I guess. It's kind of messy, but yeah. Okay, nice. This music is not doing it for me, man. That's alright. Okay, so all this crap can go out of up here at the moment. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh boy. Oh man, I can't wait to actually get on and do this, seriously. Once I get into it, I'll get some stuff done. So what I want to do is request. How is it not supposed to know where its port is? Because it's in the args, right? Request should be object origin. I don't really want to. I had an idea to make it like a dictionary that maps onto the file system or something like that. I'm not doing that just yet though. Why is everything a bit tricky? I think it actually uses a tokenizer here. It uses somewhere else, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, so we don't actually need the tokenizer here at all. So we're supposed to return new text and generate a text. That's easy. And we want to write the config. So make request. Why is there no args here? Just pass the whole args, man. Okay. So I'm going to need the config file. And we're going to need the port. The port and the input text and the config file. That's it, right? Okay, let's try this. Alright, so I can just create it directly in there, I guess. Or do I want to put it in a prep folder? Quite like the idea of a prep folder. I'm going to wrap this in a path, probably. Right. It's not in a path already, is it? Yes, it is. Okay. Okay. Hey, check use instance design. Oops. Yeah. You're getting a bit carried away here. I should have told it what I was doing, but anyway, I can do some coding as well. Alright. Now port is a path, that's good. Okay, now yep, that's the one. Now I don't mind that, using the time. Is the time in Python a real number? Yes, it is. Right, so they're going to be unique. In theory, this you could make more than one request in a short period of time. Well, I'm not going to sleep that long. Actually, what I should do is that'll be fine. I guess that's reasonable. I kind of don't want to use times, to be honest. Can we just use serial numbers or something? Because we decide the port request ID equals 1 or 0, even better. 0, okay. How many requests are we going to do? Not that many. Alright. Alright, I think that should be fine. Forget about all that crap. Okay, now. That is a folder. Isn't there something about parents or something? There we go. Alright. Okay, good. Now. It's not called input, it's called request. Probably should be called input. Can you do that? Pretty cool. Yep. Geez, it really knows what to do. Freaking Copilot's real handy, man. That is correct. Alright. We have a request. Crazy. We want to... Okay, we still want the port, don't we? That is correct as well. Damn, man. Wait for response. Now, done is port done. Now, error is port error. Did I call it error or error? I feel like error, we could spell that out if I didn't already. Actually getting some stuff done now, kinda. There you go. I don't know if this is hacky, but it's going to be absolutely pretty damn good, to be honest. Now, how do I watch those folders? Well, I did it in the core module, so I should be able to do it here as well. Something like that. The other thing is, if it already exists, then did I mess this up? No, something like that. Alright. You know, in theory, you can watch parallel things at once. I'm just keeping it simple for the moment. If this is simple. Path ports. So actually you want multiple ports. So do it in done error. Just edit directory. I don't want any of that. No port setup, none of that. We're watching this directory. Create and move to, yeah, that's correct. Now we're going to check if we already have it. How do we stop watching as well? We can just quit it, right? I don't know if there's a way. Anyway, it doesn't matter. For request, still a request, I guess. I'll just do all this. I do need to check it as well. Okay, now. Right, if we don't have a directory for it, yep. Now this is going to be our response. Now I need to check if it's the actual one I'm waiting for, right? This is bad, but it's just going to be a returns paths, right? Okay. Okay. If resp.name is request.name, then we have it. Does that variable stick around? Let's see. It does. Good. Alright, so that's that. I'm gonna. So if that's already good, we're done. I'll just return it directly out of here, I guess. Hopefully it's going to clean up this thing magically and I won't have to worry about it. we can watch events on the debugger as well. Port. So it's either going to be done or error. There is something I shouldn't be using. Fuck. The path is a full path of it. That's what I actually want, isn't it? Okay, so if path.name is... So this is actually response, I guess. Or is path the... Getting confused. I think path is the actual directory. Like either done or error. And file name is within that path, right? So if file name response is pass file name. Now, let's just say do I care if it's good or not? That's the question. Status, I can just return the done or error as a string, I guess. Status is yeah, that's reasonable. Or I can just say path.name, I guess. Nice. This one called path, whatever. Okay, seems good. Hear that? Yeah, it's pretty nested, but that'll be alright. I can append two iterators and I can avoid that nesting. I won't do that actually. That's what I wanted. That's the one. Edit tools is a standard thing, I guess it is. Alright, nice. So I think that's what I want. I'll run it with debugging to see what happens anyway. Right, let's print the logs in that case. That's it. Nice. Alright, so in that case we're not doing nothing. Now, did I read the crap? This is a directory now. Okay, now, eText. We do some. Okay, good. Now, what were they actually called? Is that correct? No. So full text is not. So I got new and full. Alright, cool. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Call client, because a client requests something. We need to do this better. I need to use async and all that sort of shit, but I'm not doing that yet. Alright. Alright, we're going to try it. Try Pilot first. Damn it. Okay. Passing fail, that can't be good. How do I make such errors continually? Character 71, what is it talking about? Is there no arcs? Oh. I can't actually see what's wrong with that. Oh, because it's... Yeah, we need all of this stuff basically, so... Config should be optional, right? Let's make that optional. Port definitely isn't. Okay, so if config, and we put config. Alright, nice. Now what's happening, dudes? Some doc strings, I guess. If Copilot can write them for me. Any more undocumented functions? Might consider some sort of object orientation or whatever somewhere. Redefining request ID. How does that work? Oh yeah. Okay, again, that should be in a client, so we don't have to. We'll do that later. Just get it basically working, man. Oh, using global is bad, if you say so. I guess I agree. It's now 67. Oh, that's the global. 89. Okay. I decided we're going to call it path, didn't I? Okay, good. Not using any more of them anyway. Nope. Okay, some sort of consistency with returns or something. Okay, response and status. There we go. Hopefully, do we need to destruct the iNotify object? Would you like to answer me? No. Okay. Really? Am I supposed to use with or something? I don't fucking know. That sounds like a lie to me, but 16. Now it says ports or something. Undefined variable port. Client request. Model. No, don't need ports. There is no model. Well, kinda. I'm not doing that. We're gonna port input text. Now what's args here? Config. Okay, seems hopeful. Port full text config. Yep. I don't mind Copilot helping me a bit. There you go. Oh, now what? Still some problem here with return stones, seriously? Return stones and function to return an expression on none of them should. Don't they all return whatever the hell? Oh, because there's nothing at the end. That will never, you know. Okay, so in this case there's a I guess that's alright, runtime error, whatever. Yeah, fine. So string has no read text, remember. I thought it was a port. Oh, okay. I mean a path. We can do that. Undefined variable port again. I think it's args.port, isn't it? Alright, here we go. Config default. We don't want any of that. Load config. Let's just say config none otherwise. Can we have a password config? I think I can. I don't know where. Okay, let's just say. Let's see what happens with that then. Seems reasonable. Okay, what if we do it this way? Okay, good. Not using me typing, huh? And use it with torch. Okay, yeah, because I'm not using torch anymore directly in here. I don't use transformers either. Am I? Or am I? I am for the tokenizer. Alright, cool. Alright, let's see if it works. I don't dare to run the voice chat directly. Well, something happened. Hi there. That did not work. Imports. Okay, I think I need to create the. It's not going to be watching any new directories. Hell. Okay, couldn't move it to 2D because it didn't exist. Alright, maybe the client shouldn't be creating new directories. Maybe we actually need a client user and then a client process. So even more freaking nested directories. No, what happened to it? Didn't append. Oh no, what? The chat through is the name of it. Reckons that's the name of the bot, does it? Give it a name. How does this work again? Default bot. Gets it from the script. I don't like that. We'll use capital bot. I don't see why not. The problem is user shouldn't. I think that can go into our. Oh my god. Alright, man. Don't do any streaming yet. That'll be future enhancements as well. How long have I been streaming for? What does it say, man? An hour and 40 minutes for this shit. If I knew what I was doing, it'd be quicker. But no one's ever done this before, and I like it. Or maybe they have, I don't fucking know. Alright. Let's not use the process ID yet because it's getting too complicated. You could consider that. Fucking don't do it yet. Okay. Okay, come on. So it's using lowercase bot, right? Yeah, okay, good. I need a 5-minute break or something. not using my Pomodoro thing for some reason. I'm going to start it. When I realise I need a break, I start my Pomodoro timer, huh? Let's do already. Hey, it's time to take a break. I will in a minute. Okay. Let's try this thing. It might even work, and then I'll take a break and I'll do a new stream as well after I come back. Right, come on. Right. Hi there. Oh, it did something. Oh, nearly. Got a response. Here it is. And why is there no new line on the end of it? That's a bit dodge. Well, we'll fix that. Bloody hell. Alright, what is this bug first though? 98. Oh, your path is actually so let's do it like that. Should fix it. Right. Right, it's assuming there. This is a pure completion. So I need to put the bot name in there as well, right? Do I have a bot name? No. Alright. So I need to source the environment variable in. Now I do. Good. What was the request? Let's have a look before we do anything else. Hi there, assistant. Right, so that's wrong. I should have a new line. Oh. Delimiter. Default 2 new lines. Yeah. So why is it not using it? It's not raw. So it's actually the thing that's calling this is getting it wrong, isn't it? Must be. This is just writing the. Can't be anything wrong with this, to be honest. This is just writing that into a file. So whoever's calling this from the, that's the interactive chat, right? Client request. So we got port full text. Oh, did I use the wrong? Oh, let's process file. Hang on. Interactive. Here we go. Chat loop. Let's restart this chat. Okay. Come on. You're gonna complicate all this. Queue invitation harder. Must be something wrong with how I'm doing this. What was in there before? Let's have a look in the other script. It must just be a mistake in how I've converted it there. Model full text. Gen config. Full text. Did we get full text is wrong? Is it a limiter wrong? This is a tokenizer, that's for sure. Does have a model, right? Yeah, I suppose we've got to take a break, that means. Alright guys, you can enjoy this music while I take a break. I'll stop the Pomodoro noise though. Be back soon. I know what music I should use. I should use Ronald Jenkins because he actually makes pretty good music. Not wishing to diss this stuff, but damn, is that moving or is it my eyes? It's a hell of an optical illusion. It's killing my eyes, man. Alright. Ronald Jenkins. This guy said that everyone can use his music, I'm pretty sure, so I shall. And he's a great musician too. And playlist. Yeah, this might be a new one. I might have to buy that. Here's an Insta buy of this guy. Alright. New Jenkins album. Maybe he doesn't have it yet. He's got a playlist for it, but he hasn't released it yet or something. Alright, well, I'll wait for it. He's got a Twitter or anything. He's got definitely got a YouTube. I should unsubscribe from everyone else on YouTube so that I don't miss any of his updates. Alright. Oh, this is something good. Alright, what was I doing? Do not know. Did I fix something? Fix the path. Oh yeah, I don't know what was wrong with the request. I better print some debugging info or something, I guess. Is there not a default model or something? Is that the trouble? Pretty sure there is. Default alpaca. Maybe it doesn't have the model or something. Alright, so full text, yeah. Model. Is there a nice thing? Oh, doesn't matter. What else you want? History. There's no history. Invitation 2. Let's get the normal invitation. So invitation 2 is that's the human one, right? I don't even know what's going on. I don't know about the delimiter too. Oh, nice. Let's try it again, see what happens. A bit of bass at least. Okay, use a sound, but sound okay. I should call myself Ken. Quest failed, huh? How did it fail? Ah, because there was already a request there. Okay, that's not good. Okay, so that's the problem. I'm going to clean up the ports now. Get rid of that one for a start. I'm not doing that anymore at the moment. This is where using a get rid of the sample request too, I think. Okay. It's better. Still something there. Nothing in there though. Alright. Run that again as well. Gonna have to upload the model again this time. Maybe I need something simpler. Oh, I don't know. It's nice and quick though. I'm gonna start my next Pomodoro, I guess. And the tokens is 12. Alright. So the full text is wrong. Oh, notify call failed now. Replied. It's quick too. Anyway. Okay, that's good. Now what am I doing? We do want a prep folder apparently. Apparently done can just stay though. Just use done. And then again. Now why is it not doing the proper delimiting and everything? Did it even tell me what it was doing? Some of the things didn't print out, right? What the hell am I doing? Oof. Full text. Model. Invitation. So all this shit should be here, right? Why didn't it print it out? And maybe delim is not a thing. No, it is. Huh. See any problem there? Try again. Full text. Traceback. What? How can it not finish writing the debugging? What? You tell me the logger doesn't flush or something? This is ridiculous, man. Alright, let's just forget about the model itself then. Okay. Okay. So that's kind of... How did it not... Oh, maybe... Oh, okay. Using the wrong... better. Oh, there we go. Full text. Full text. Okay, it already shows full text in info or something, does it? I don't know where. Model. It has a tokenizer, it's good. Invitation Barbie. Invitation to Barbie. Delim. So why is it not using the delimiter? History. Let's look at the history as well. Something's wrong, that's for sure. Let's see. History. Sam, hello. With Bub. Alright, is there a file or something? It can't be. Let's just restart. It's the same as well. Hang on. Well, history is supposed to be a... What the blazes is going on, honestly? Oh, okay, that would be wrong. Got a bit keen with the wrong completion there. I should use that other method. Might even do it because always it's like this, right? How do you do it again? Not like that. Something like that, isn't it? The format string. I know that I don't want you to use format strings in there, but yeah, don't repeat yourself or whatever. Let's try it again. Fix the other ones later if necessary. Okay, history's nothing. Here's started 0. Right. Full text is getting messed up. Alright, so get full text is messed up somehow. How though? Delin join history plus invitation. So invitation. What's it doing? It doesn't put a delimiter before the invitation? Why not? Delim. Why does my invitation not have the delimiter in it? Let's see what happened. Invitation plus equals. That should be okay, right? It didn't do that anyway. What the fuck's going on? Oh, that's in process file, so that's separate. Hang on. Oh, I really should just trash this and start again, to be honest. Okay, invitation. How does it not add the delimiter this time? Okay, so what's the invitation this time? History, right? Maybe it only works if there's a file. It's appending the message. It should be alright, right? Okay, we'll see. If there's a message. Unless you have to restart, it is quicker. Alright, history, Sam Malone. Okay, that's good. And it still doesn't join it properly. Okay. I don't understand how that could ever have worked. There's no raw option for this, is there? Oh, I haven't used this for ages, so maybe it's just wrong. Now let's do that then. Just try that then. I think it may have just been working coincidentally before and I didn't see it. Something alright. What? Going on? I saved it. Oh, still in process file. Okay, where did I just add it then? Am I fucking hallucinating or something? Oh, I added it in the old one. That's not going to help me, is it? Oh, come on, you bastard. Try that. Okay. Okay, did something. That's better. I killed out the thing that calls the thing, didn't I? Is that why it's not actually responding? I should just put it in here or something. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, it's not right to do it like that, so. Look. Okay, that's looking better. My notify didn't work again. Okay. Can't notify. Whoops. Yeah, looks good. Isn't the trim thing on by default because it's not freaking working? Oh no, that's done in the client though, isn't it? What was the actual error? Okay. Very much. Done an error. Are these things exist? They do. Alright, E double R. Okay, we still have some more of those. Let's just change that as well, I think. Nice. I'm not changing the core module, but I'll just check. That one. It's a nice short, small little server if it works. I'll try again. And delete it again. Hello. Oh. Okay, that was. What's that? Swallow. So we're getting close. Boy. Okay, so path.
Hello, Tim.
Well, Jenkins is the goat. Okay. Maybe I need to comment this a bit more or something. Oh my god. Tell you what, Copilot, you're quite helpful with the documentation. Alright, nice. That might work already. Just curious, did I use it here? This is supposed to be a path already, right? What? This is one. Response. Oh my god, come on. That should be okay, right? I'll never be able to test that case anyway because it's not going to bloody... Yeah, that was... I think that was one that I already did, that's why... Oh. Hey, how can I help you? Oh, thank God. Looks like we can get rid of the... I think it's good. Right. Okay, cool. Not spelled day wrong. Well, that was too quick. Maybe because I said binding out didn't generate too much text. Be quicker if I say very short responses. How do we do that now? Where is it? Number of tokens to generate something. Next tokens, there we go. So 20. Oh, I gotta kill these things out of there as well. Result use remove response. Okay, what we might do is just rename it into a history folder or something. With a timestamp. Let's see, history, of course. Do that right. Whatever. Okay. Yeah, this is where we want to give it a different name as well, isn't it? Yeah, so that's the idea. 0.0f. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of the. No, I want to have the exact timestamp, I think. Seems like a thing. Nice. Yeah, we also need to create the history directory if it's not over there. It really should be though. Alright, let's do that with the core. Okay. One cool thing about this is I can just kill the server. And start up again, and it should work. So it doesn't. It's very resilient. It's not like a broken socket or anything. Yeah. What else? What else? What else? There's more. There is more, but that's enough for the moment. Oh, thank God I got that working. I need to clean it up as well. Well, I think that's time to end that stream because I should change this. I'm going to say is oh. Oh. Alright. Okay, so I didn't save the file, that's good. Alright, let's commit that junk. Not that though. Did save the history probably. How much disk space I would use? Not much, right? A little bit, but could consider zipping that or not even using it. Okay. Oh, those are still there. That because I didn't delete them. Oh, that's right. Okay. Thank goodness I got that working. Okay. It should work with the voice chat as well. I should try that. Be a good way to end the stream. My super popular stream with 0 viewers and 0 likes because I didn't tell anyone about it. But it's helping me focus still. We'll get there. Alright, Barbie, let's try again. So I've got to close this down for the moment. Leave the model server. Okay. Oh yeah, because it's not using that anymore, is it? Hey, how's it going today? running out of memory already. Firefox is using a bit. The other processes. I already have speed going. Okay, fair enough. I think the problem here is just basically start again. Hey, how's it going today? Something different, isn't it? Come on. Right, so some are still running, which shouldn't be. I don't want VS Code anymore at the moment. I use Vim. Not running now.
Hi, how are you feeling? I'm doing awesome too. I love being able to talk to people through Alexa. It's so much fun. What kind of questions do you ask her? Actually, yes. The other day I asked her why flamingos are pink, and she told me it has to do with their diet. I can't believe it. How cool is that?
Hey, how's it going today?
Hi there. It's been a while since we last talked. What have you been up to? Actually, yeah, I'm developing an IS.
Oh my god, what the hell? Start with a clean file. Okay. Hey, how's it going today?
Hi there. I think we need a new approach for this project. What do you think? This output is generated when the model cannot recognize any of the words spoken.
Yeah, we're making progress slowly but steadily, but yeah, I think we need to get a bit more attention and also try and make progress a bit more quickly and produce high quality code.
Agree. We should look into using an automation testing framework so that our tests can be executed automatically without any manual intervention. This would help us save time as well as ensure higher accuracy of the results. Do you agree?
Yeah, I'm not super big on automated testing, but we can do that at some point. Sounds like it could help if we have users that would be necessary.
That makes sense. Let's give it a go then.
Well, it seems that everything's working, so that's good.
Yes, let's keep up the momentum. See what else we can come up with next.
I might take a half-hour break and walk the dog, and then I'll come back reinvigorated and move on to the next step, which I think is adding another core module for image generation.
Great idea, and don't forget to stay hydrated too. We will definitely finish this project successfully before deadline. Let's keep pushing forward together. Wait Toolkit Development Project AI Developer Lifestyle.
What are you tweeting with the hashtags?
Oh, just thoughts related to iToolkit development project being productive and efficient while developing tools, collaborating with colleagues, and managing stress levels during busy periods. Plus funny cat videos every now and again when needed. PI Developer Lifestyle, a productivity hacks.
Please don't use hashtags when you talk to me.
Lol, sorry Sam. So anyway, I was thinking we could add one more feature for generating text from images by leveraging deep learning techniques. Then we can integrate it with the existing model and improve its accuracy even further.
Sure, although I'm not actually building models, I'm just putting together models that other people have trained at the moment.
Gotcha, no worries. Maybe after the project ends, we can look into exploring new opportunities in deep learning research. Alright, everyone, let's get started on implementing the latest update. Everyone ready? The team agrees and gets down to work. The rest of the day passes quickly in a flurry of activity. At the end of the day, they all feel proud of their accomplishments thus far. As they leave the office, they make plans to meet up soon over lunch or coffee to discuss how things are going and celebrate their successes along the way.
Okay, I'm off to walk the dog, I think.
Have a great time walking your pup. See you later. Guided Developers Lifestyle Way Innovation, a collaborative working successful teamwork leadership.
What the hell? Stop the emojis and now it's going hashtags like wild, man. Why?
Sorry Sam, I'll try my best. AI teamwork, AI collaboration, data skins, I deep learning, machine learning, data engineering, way model integration, AI reserve, way chatbots, in processing a text analysis, speak recognition, automated robotics tasks, algorithms, on neural networks, a pattern recognition, object detection, a conversationally, a virtual assistants, user. Hey, those were just examples. Don't worry, our conversations will remain normal. It'll be fun having some variety every once in a while though. End of code.
Okay, bye now.
Bye. See you tomorrow for more progress towards achieving our goals.
Okay.
Hello Sam, did you finish taking care of your pup yet? How was it?
No, I'm just about to leave now. What?
He hoke then. What else have you been working on since yesterday? Any new developments?
Enough of that.
That sounds exciting, do tell. What are your plans next?
Alright, goodbye, stream of no viewers. Where even is it?